Hi, I'm Michelle Charles of Michelle Charles English. I'm an American business English teacher and coach with over 15 years of experience in helping non-native speakers of English from around the world to improve their English for business on the global stage. Now, with the arrival of ChatGPT, never has it been more important for non-native speakers of English to concentrate their efforts on improving their ability to write well in English. ChatGPT and other AI-powered chat and search engine tools are text-based. This means that they respond to written prompts and queries. The ChatGPT bot is trained primarily in English. Coders feed the bot information that is sourced from all over the internet. That source data must be in a single language, and that language is English. When a non-English query is typed into ChatGPT, the bot's results are a translation of the original English material. If you work in an environment in which you have to produce English language text and you want to use ChatGPT to help you to be more productive and efficient, then getting training to become a better writer in English is a must. I developed this training opportunity, Learn How to Write Effective ChatGPT Queries in English, to help you to do just that. Because your non-English results would have to be translated into English, what you end up with is third-generation material in which a lot of information is lost in translation. Learning to write your queries in English produces the richest results that you could possibly get from the tool. What could be more efficient and productive than that? And writing for ChatGPT is not like writing emails or even queries for traditional search engines. What you put into ChatGPT is what you get out of ChatGPT. The quality of your results depends on the quality of your communication with the bot. The more precise and accurate the input from you, the more accurately the bot's results will fulfill your request. The training sessions that I am offering can be booked as 60-minute appointments. Packages of hours are available upon request, and the sessions take place as video conferencing calls over Zoom. In the sessions, we will work in a practical way through writing prompts to develop skills such as how to frame questions to get the answers that you want and need, how to reframe requests in ways that the bot can understand, how to identify vocabulary words that would best support getting the results that you want, how to know when you finally have the best results for your needs, and how to turn your results into copy that you can add to your work or pass on to others. Basic writing elements such as grammar, sentence, syntax, meaning, and style are addressed within the context of the training as they come up in real time. The time for modern business English trainings has come. I would look forward to working with you. You can read all of the details about the training in the description below. You can also book your training directly through this page using the bookings platform that I have embedded here for your convenience. And lastly, to learn more about me and my experience, please have a look at my bio posted at the bottom of this page. Thanks very much for your attention. I hope to see you soon.